top two best of show. We're going to start down here with 613 on the north end. Anybody think 613 best of show? Let's hear it now. On to 614. How about the red, white, and blue 617? How about 620? 606? Who don't like Sam's place? Let's go with 607. 307, the house divided. 505. 315, the sharp. 515. 517, the truck. 518, donate life. And 638. All right, we've got at least 4 here in the running, so don't applaud yet, but 515, 315.
Yeah, don't they have to get in and then, sorry. Yeah, you have
307, the van.
Okay, look back.
Sam's place. And 620. So we're going to start back down here with 620. $606. 307. 315. And 515. Well, we're going to have first and second, but you guys are making it a little tough. It's down to 515, the Landis Derby School yellow van, 315, the Sharp, and 307, the house divided. So we're going to start at the opposite end this time. We're going to start at 515. $315. And the house divided, 307. Your winner's 307. And I've decided to cut the black in half for second. Okay, I'm kidding. All right, we're just going to cheer for second. 307 is your winner. We're down to 515 and 315. You're going to have to really make this decisive because we can't tell. We're going to start with the Sharp, 315. The yellow van, 515. 515 second. You guys come on up here, we'll give you your plaque. Thank you.